Killing fire ants quickly and efficiently in your home can be done through several methods. Here's a step-by-step guide video. Identify the ant trails. Fire ants typically move in trails, so locate these trails to determine where the ants are coming from and where they're going. Prepare your materials. You'll need an insecticide spray or dust that's specifically designed to kill ants. Look for products labeled for indoor ant control. Additionally, have a cloth or paper towel handy for cleanup. Protect yourself. Before you begin, put on gloves to protect your hands from the insecticide. Apply the insecticide. Once you've located the ant trails, use the insecticide spray or dust to directly apply to the ants and their nests. Aim for the ants themselves as well as the areas they frequent, such as baseboards, cracks, and crevices where they may be entering your home. Act quickly. Move swiftly to apply the insecticide, ensuring thorough coverage of the ants and their pathways. Many insecticides designed for ants work quickly, so you should start to see results within minutes. Dispose of dead ants. After applying the insecticide, use a cloth or paper towel to clean up any dead ants you see. Dispose of them in a sealed plastic bag and throw them away in an outdoor trash can. Monitor and repeat. Keep an eye on the treated areas to ensure that the ants have been eliminated. If you notice any remaining ants or signs of activity, reapply the insecticide as needed. Prevent future infestations. To prevent future fire ant infestations in your home, take steps to seal off entry points such as cracks and gaps in doors, windows, and walls. Keep your home clean and free of food crumbs, as ants are attracted to food sources. By following these steps and acting quickly, you can effectively kill fire ants in your home in under a minute and prevent them from returning. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.